Welcome to the adventures of Fox and Miles. Follow our journey as Black creative nomads through life, love, and learning. We're sharing our story to inspire, encourage, and let you know we all have our own adventures to live. Whether it's travel, art, or relationships, we hope you enjoy the journey.
Is this the loop? Because even down here, is there anything?
Wait, here, I'll go first. Here, hold this. For a second.
But yeah, y'all, you can see us struggling out here. We are not a expert outdoorsmen, not yet. Now Miles is trying to figure out where we're going. Does it just end?
No, it's an overview.
Oh, okay.
I'm trying to think. I guess if you go down, you just come back around.
It's confirmed.
All right, yeah, it's supposed to be a loop. So,
I'm gonna let you know right now. When I heard those footsteps, I'm like, oh my god,
yeah.
it's a big animal.
All right, so I'm not gonna record much longer because
It's getting a little treacherous.
yeah, and I'm gonna need to pay attention.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're gonna do this loop. I'll try to grab as much footage as I can.
Wow, it's really steep.
Yeah, and we're getting closer and closer to the canyon. Yay! That was a sarcastic yay, just for you
I was
guys.
say,
Yeah, so like I'll show you.
the path literally leads
Yeah,
down the canyon.
yeah. So this
What
is
the workout is gonna be? This is gonna be steep. Coming
Yeah.
back up. Oh wow. You see that?
yeah. So this is what I'm talking about.
This is beautiful.
I can't record myself talking.
Huh?
I said I can't record myself talking.
No, I don't want you to.
So this is where we are.
Yeah.
This is the narrow path that we have to walk on.
Wow.
Oh wow, look at that. You see the river over there?
Yes, and right in between that
Yeah.
split is the river.
But all right.
And that's where we were standing up there,
Yep.
looking out last time.
Right
So
there. But all right, we are. We're gonna do this little trail thing.
try. We gonna see.
Yeah.
You wanna do the whole thing?
It's only.
I mean, it's only 2 miles, but it is really steep and
Yeah.
thin.
So yeah.
my anxiety doesn't get the best
Yeah.
of me.
Yeah. So we'll turn around if we need to.
Yeah. But let's do it. We're
Yeah.
adventurous.
We'll give you more updates later. See you guys.
Yay!
Making our way down. Alright guys, so we made it to the turning point of the loop. Doing okay so far. We passed some ladies who were going back up. But this is where we stop. Black Canyon Laguna National Park Service. Wilderness permit required. I don't know if you guys can read that. Do not hike past your limits. People have died and been injured by physical stress and heat injuries while hiking at Black Canyon.
That sucks.
Yes. Thankfully, it's not that hot today. And we're also not going down there. Because that's further into the canyon.
Yeah.
But we're going to make our
I'm
way.
pretty sure it's beautiful down there.
Oh, yeah. I'm sure. But we're going to make our way through this loop and get back to Flatman. Yay!
Well, yeah,
What?
as flat as.
Well, I'll take pavement over roots and dirt and stuff.
Rocks.
Yeah.
Slipped a couple of times.
This ain't flat. I mean, it's flat enough, but
No, but look around. Come down here.
be careful, please.
Rock.
Yep. So it's been that way all the way so far. But
My legs are a little shaky.
yeah, so we're gonna take our time and we're gonna.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's probably shaky just because trying to like
Yeah.
level yourself and like ground yourself.
Oh, yeah.
And for the steep hill down, like trying to be like,
Yeah.
you know. So yeah, but this is really beautiful. It's so beautiful. Oh,
We're like probably a little bit into the mouth of the canyon.
yeah.
So
Yeah. Because we were up there. I don't know if y'all can see through the trees.
yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah. But we're gonna press on.
Towards the mark.
Yep. We're gonna press on and finish this up.
Yeah.
So more later.
Chipmunk. Very brave.
Trying to get that for its wrapper.
Ain't no food in there.
Alright guys. We survived. A short little 2 miles.
It was a treacherous 2 miles.
Yeah.
Steep.
Yep. See, it's a different way.
Huh.
We went down the other side.
You want to go down there?
If you want to.
Yeah.
How you doing? See, that's where we went.
Oh.
There's another way you can go over there,
Oh.
I think. Or it's over here.
Gotcha. messages.
Yep. No guardrail, no nothing.
Alright, y'all, so we made it. We're back officially.
Well, back is back over there.
Yeah.
So we came down to another lookout.
Yeah. And it was great. It was a good hike. It was treacherous. It was thin. Like the trail was thin. And we got a little mixy at some point. But it was cool. What do you think, baby?
It's nice.
Yeah. Now look at all this beauty. Again, I don't think the camera can really capture all of it.
The massiveness and the depth of what we're looking at.
It's great.
Because I guess for you guys, or whenever you watch something on film, unless it's like 3D or VR or whatever, you can't capture depth. It's really hard to capture depth.
Yeah.
So like this rock and then the canyon.
Gotcha.
You know, there's a lot of space in between the two. And even this rock,
Careful.
it's a lot of space from where we are right now.
Yeah. Woo. So what do you think about Black Canyon?
Oh, it's cool.
You like it?
Yeah. And like we were, talking about on the way up here. If this is impressive,
Yeah.
I'm sure the Grand Canyon is
I can't even imagine.
overwhelming.
Yeah.
So we'll get there someday.
Yeah.